Yo, Mike, this goofy ass crap destroyed my Jordan 1s. What? How? Look at this. Look at this.
Swipe it off. Use some water.
Don't you think I tried that already?
Let me see the can.
See the can? For what? It's not gonna change the fact that my shoes are fucked.
Look here, dummy. It says suede, nubuck, and canvas shoes. I don't see leather anywhere.
It doesn't matter. They promote protecting all shoes.
You are so dumb.
My nose running.
Yo, what up, what up? It's your boy Sneaker Life back with another video, and you're watching this for multiple reasons. Either one, you sprayed Crep Protect on your shoes and you're like, wow, bro, what a scam. How is this stuff as big as it is? It doesn't make any sense. It destroyed my Jordans, it destroyed my Nikes, it destroyed my Adidas, bro, what? Or you're just trying to see if there really is something wrong with Crep Protect. I wanna make this short and sweet, I wanna get right to the point. So, Jordan 1s, any leather type of sneaker, I personally do not recommend putting Crep Protect on. There's been this huge problem. You know, a lot of people have been complaining and, you know, really just getting their shoes ruined. I mean, look at this. Look at this, bro. Like, what is that? It's ashy. You may think, use some water and a little napkin, you know, it'll come right off. No, it's not. You see, like, it'll fade temporarily, but it's not actually gone. Like, it doesn't all come off. It stays. So once it dries, it comes right back. There's no way of getting rid of it. And today I'm gonna tell you guys how to get rid of it. But first and foremost, I wanna let you guys know, when you're dealing with any product, you should make sure to read the label. Specifically, Crep states, this is for nubuck, suede, and canvas shoes. Now, I have never, even before, I remember the first time I ever received a can of Crep, I never tried to spray it on leather. I just figured that doesn't make any sense. Why would you waterproof a leather shoe? Like, that doesn't make sense to me. If ketchup gets on it, you just wipe it off. Like, I've never had any problems with my Jordan 1s getting ruined or stained or any of that. The only reason you should be spraying your Jordan 1 is if you decide, oh, you know what, I'm gonna spray the laces. You know, if they're white laces, you wanna keep them clean. Or, you know, you can spray the tongue and that will keep it, and it'll stay protected. You won't have to worry about any stains getting on this. There's different videos of people putting acetone on their sneakers, and that is a no-go. Why would you put acetone on your sneaker? That's a quick way to rub the paint off. I'm not doing customs, bro. I'm just trying to clean my sneakers, you know? So the simple fix, you spray some more Crep on there, okay? Just a little bit. Not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit. And then what you do is, you rub it in, just a little bit. Boom, gone. A little more. You rub it in. See, gone. I'll do the whole shoe for you guys. Just a little bit, don't get too crazy. Make these nice and clean again, and you don't have to worry about that whiteness coming back. So I mean, you can spray your ones with Crep if you want to. You just gotta rub it in, but I just personally, I'm telling you guys, don't do it, because what? For what? Leather's damn near waterproof itself. Don't make sense to me. I only use Crep Protect really on the only Jordan 1 that I would recommend maybe spraying with Crep Protect is definitely like the off-whites, just because of the material of it. But this is simple, man. This is very simple. I know a lot of people have had problems and didn't really know how to fix it. And this is how you do it, guys. Boom. No more whiteness. I mean, we can sit here and let it dry, but I promise you the whiteness will not come back. Matter of fact, let's just sit here and let it dry.
Later.
All right, man, it's been a solid 15 minutes. And as you can see, there is no more white. That is an easy fix. But like I said, I personally do not recommend spraying any leather shoes with Crep Protect. You know, the most recent examples I could give you are maybe like Off-White Prestos or any of the Off-White shoes. The material on them, 4 player Jordans that dropped, you know, the Moon, the Clay, the Track Red, and the Yellow. That's the kind of stuff you want to spray Crep on. Or clothes or hats, you know? But guys, don't spray it on leather. Leather's already waterproof, basically. And I mean, you can spray your, I mean, you do what you want to do. You can spray your Jordan 1s, just make sure you rub it in, you won't have that whiteness. And yeah, it's probably waterproof. I'm sure if I set water on there, it just bounces off. Let's try it. So there you guys have it, man. Make sure to take care of your shoes. Huge shout out to Post Notification Squad. You already know what it is. It's time for the shout out. So shout out to my man Christopher Rose and Wave God NYC. If you want to shout out in the next video, you know what you got to do. All you got to do is hit that notification bell, subscribe, and comment. Done. That's it. Simple. Simple. Next video, I'll choose 2 more people, but I'll catch y'all on the next one. It's your boy Sneaker Life. Run it.
Hands in the air now.
Yo, thank you guys so much for watching, man. If you could check out this video or check out this video, I definitely appreciate it. Yeah.